everybody, I'm Bethany, also known as We Love Maui on the Poshmark app and on Instagram. I'm a clothing reseller on the island of Maui in Hawaii. And today I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing with you guys. I got some inventory in from my mom. She helps me shop sometimes for inventory for my Poshmark closet. She really enjoys it. She does a fantastic job. She and I shop together when we're in the same place, but we're usually not. So sometimes she goes out and shops for me. And I really like the items she picked out this time, so I thought I would share them with you guys. And I'll just jump right into it. So the first item here is going to be a Show Me Your Mumu tunic. It's a long, flowy tunic. Lots of bright colors in this, blues and reds, really, really pretty. Yeah, we love Show Me Your Mumu. It's a size medium. And next up here is a cabbie, and it's a square label, so it's the newer style cabbie. And it's a top, little button down, or actually just a pop over button top, and black and white. Really pretty cabbie top. Next up, this is a really pretty dress, kind of a wear to work style. It's just Tailor. Love this brand. It's really always really pretty, nice tailored clothing. Tailored, haha. So it's black and it's got a little bit of a kind of a silvery shimmer to it, if you can see there. And nice little just Tailor dress. It is a size 8. Excellent condition. Next up, this is J. Crew. She got quite a few J. Crew pieces, and I do love J. Crew a lot. This one is, it's mainly wool. It's got a little bit of cashmere in it. And this one is a size small, black, kind of a long sweater. It's actually almost like a sweater dress. It's a very long sweater. So it probably would depend on how tall you are, if you could rock it as a sweater dress. Probably best over maybe some leggings. Alright, and next up, this is another J. Crew piece, and this is a cashmere sweater, or no, it's a wool sweater, so it's kind of like a raspberry color, little J. Crew wool sweater, very lightweight, some little buttons on the cuffs here. And next up, this is J. Crew, oh, this is cashmere, I knew there was a cashmere one, so this is J. Crew cashmere, 100% cashmere, and the line is Gustoso, Gustoso, haven't seen that line before, so it's kind of a mint green. A little v-neck sweater, little lightweight sweater. And next up is a cabbie top, little sleeveless cabbie top here, really cute, size XL, and it's a navy blue, little tank top. All right, next up, I actually hadn't heard of this brand before, I don't think. This is a really cute top, kind of a long top. The brand is, I don't know how to pronounce this, Maisoli. So Maisoli, maybe, something like that. I just really like the print of it. It's really pretty and kind of a knit on the back and then just a woven in the front. Really pretty floral. And another J. Crew piece, a little plaid shirt here. Really like this one. Nice little casual button down. J. Crew, it's a pop over plaid shirt. And next up is a little J. Crew sweater. So it's Pima cotton and wool, little button down J. Crew sweater with a little ruffle in the front here. Super cute, lightweight. Next up, and this is, I looked this up because I wasn't sure about it, so it's Sugar Hill Boutique, and it's a really cool piece. It's a little short dress, a little mini dress, and it looks like, I don't know if it's horses, I think it's horses, but they've got these little, I almost thought it was, I wasn't sure what these were at first because they have something on their heads. But I think these are like show horses basically on this little dress, which is very unique. It's very cute. It's got some little lace insets here, lace insets on the back, and then an exposed zipper. Just really pretty. Unique, I would say. And next up is another J. Crew sweater. This is actually really cozy. I like this one a lot. This is the kind of thing I would wear. It's a open front, just a cozy J. Crew sweater. I almost want to put this on. It feels so cozy. I don't see the fabric here. It is, so it's wool nylon. So yeah, it's just a very soft, open front J. Crew sweater. Size medium. Got my straight hair still going here. It doesn't usually last long for me, so I like to shoot some videos while I can. And next up, oh, this is silk, so it's a J. Crew silk skirt. So it's black and kind of a pencil fitted skirt, and then it's got some like little velvet polka dots on it, and then little ruffles on the pockets. This is really cool, actually. This would be good for holiday. Be great for holiday time if you're planning way ahead, which, you know. Oh, and it's a size 6. Yeah, I'm not good at planning that far ahead, but if you are, you could wear that to a holiday party later on down the line. And you know, I don't ever sell vineyard vines. I literally have maybe sold a piece or two ever. I don't know why. I don't find it here. I just don't think it exists in Hawaii. I don't think people wear it here. But I know it's popular, and yeah, I don't find it much. So I got this piece from her, which is great. Vineyard vines, little kind of pop over sweatshirt, and little zipper neck, size medium. It's got some plaid around the top here, navy blue. All right, and next up, this is a pencil skirt from J. Crew. I've actually sold this same skirt. I think it was in a different color. I think it was purple and green maybe. But yeah, this pencil skirt from J. Crew, it's actually called the pencil skirt from J. Crew. And this one's a size 14. Awesome, love that. Yeah, a little pencil skirt, a little slit in the back. Very cute. And next up, and this is a cabbie workout top, which I don't find much of. So this is really cool. It feels like really, really nice quality. And it feels brand new too. It's a gray and black cabbie workout top, kind of like a very breathable fabric, and really, really nice. Size medium on that. Next up, we got a little Lucky Brand top. This is really cute. I like this a lot. I like the print on it. Blue and some cute print. It's Lucky Brand size medium. Kind of like a thin t-shirt. It's actually kind of sheer. And high-low. Oh, and it's got pockets. I didn't even see that. It's got pockets in the front. That's cute. Okay. And, okay. This one is Altered State. I love Altered State, actually. I always find their stuff to be very cute. Kind of boho. I would wear this, actually. I like the back. It's got like a little crochet see-through back on it. Some pleating on the front. I don't know if this would be flattering on me, but I like it. So yeah, Altered State size medium. And next up is a Boston Proper tank top. It's got some chain around the neckline and cool print here. Nice colors, orange and some blue and yellow in there. Size medium. Boston Proper top. And next up, this I actually told her to get. She showed me this on FaceTime when she was shopping, and the brand is Aria, A-R-Y-E-H. I think it got around town online for a while. This was Anthropologie. I know it's not. I mean, if they've ever carried it, I don't know about it. I don't think it is, but I thought this was cute. I thought it was just worth getting for the style. It's like a little shift dress, little sleeveless, and really cool, kind of like a kaleidoscope type print on it. I really like that, and same on the back, size large. Very, very cute. And another J. Crew top. This one is another popover top, kind of a chambray with like some little white circles on it pattern. And it's a size 6, little J. Crew popover. Another J. Crew piece here. This is a white tank top. Yep, a little kind of like tiered style there with some fringe, and it's a size extra small, I believe. Yep, extra small. And, okay, this brand, I've only found this once before. I have a little top that I'm, like, debating on keeping, so I haven't listed it yet, but it's always really cute, unique stuff. The brand is the Impeccable Pig. The Impeccable Pig. And I don't know where they carry it. I can't remember if Anthro has at one time carried it, or if it's, like, a boutique brand. But I know it's priced pretty high online, I think. And so, yeah, I actually haven't listed anything of it yet. This will be the first item that I will. This is the Impeccable Pig. It's a flowy little top. Got some kind of flare sleeves on it, a little fringe tie at the top. This is just adorable, I think. And yeah, like I said, that brand, we'll see. But I think it does pretty well. This one, she also showed me on FaceTime, and it's not a great brand, but it's really, really cute. It's American Rag, little mini dress, and very bohemian. I just thought this was too cute to pass up. It's adorable. It's a size small. Yeah, really cute little bohemian. I guess it could be a top depending on how tall you are. It's pretty short. But yeah, really cute. Oh, and that Impeccable Pig top, I forgot to say the size. It was a size large. This brand is new to me too, and I just briefly looked it up. It's D-A-Z-L, Dazzle, I guess. It's a size 1X, which is great. It's kind of a stone-washed, almost like a bleached out shirt, sleeveless. It's really cool, and the ones I saw online were doing pretty well price wise. So, but yeah, size 1X button down. And this is Gap, and this is another one I think I told her to get just because it's a romper. I love rompers. I love selling rompers. And this is a floral Gap, and it's a size medium. Yeah, a little Gap jumper, romper. And also this I wanted for the style too. It's World Market, and I always think they have really cool stuff. I know it's not, the brand won't sell the item, but I think it's really cool. It's just like a tunic. This is actually awesome. I like this. I mean, you could wear it as a swim cover up. You could wear it with skinny jeans. You could pretty much wear it for a lot of different things. And that is a size, free size. No size on that guy. I'm not really up on this brand. I got to look it up. Truly, Trulli, petite. But it's a really cute top. It's a lace, cream color little top. And it says Truly petite. I don't see a size on this tag, at least. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see a size, but I would say it's a small or extra small. It's a little tiny top. And this brand, Plastic Island. I know I've sold this before, and I feel like Anthro may have carried it at one point. I don't know if this particular piece they did, but yeah, Plastic Island, and it's like a color block. Kind of a very long sweater. Really cool. Size small. And last piece. This is a Crown and Ivy dress, and just a little white, very feminine, cute little dress, embroidered, size 10. Alright, so that is it for the haul from my mom. She sent me a couple boxes with all this fun stuff, so I'm excited to get it listed, and I really enjoy when she sends me things. It's like kind of like Christmas when I open up these boxes and I get to see what she picked out. And sometimes I get to help her out on FaceTime too while she's shopping. So it's really fun for me, it's fun for her, and it's something that we can do together. She really likes helping me out. So anyway, if you like any of these items, they'll be in my Poshmark closet soon. Otherwise, give me a follow. I'm Relove Maui on Poshmark. I'm Relove Maui on Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button down below if you enjoy my videos, and give me a thumbs up, please, and have a fantastic day. Aloha.